What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how I'm making commissions with affiliate marketing. So I'm promoting other people's products. So as you may know, as an affiliate marketer, we can promote a variety of products. You can go to websites such as Amazon.com, Clickbank.com, Digistore24, go to those marketplaces, find products to promote, get your affiliate links, and if someone buys from any of these links, you can make a commissions. But I like to promote high-ticket products. Why? Because these kind of products like Freedom Accelerator or Legendary Marketer, these are more high-quality products. And I think that if you're going to promote something, first of all, you need to believe in the product that is going to help people. And also, you need to know, first of all, second of all, that if the quality of the product is good. For example, I bought this high-ticket product for Accelerator, as you can see in the screen. And it has all the information, and I went through all the lessons. And basically, I learned how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So basically, I'm going to talk about some of the things that I have seen to succeed with affiliate marketing. And one of those is that it takes time to start getting these commissions. So let me go to my payouts, and you're going to see my latest payments. And as you can see, I have here $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making commissions every single month. But let me go to the dashboard. This is my affiliate dashboard for this product. And as you can see, I have sent to this company 142 referrals. I have 22 customers, and right now I have $890 in unpaid earnings. So this company pays 40% commission. If I scroll down, these are my affiliate links. And you can promote this product as well if you want. But you can promote, it's better to promote something that you know that is going to help people, right? So how did I make these commissions, or how I'm making these commissions with affiliate marketing? So this is my affiliate link. If someone buys the product from this link, I can make a commission by promoting Freedom Accelerator, but we need to promote that link in the right way. Now, this is the way that I learned from the training, and this is as well a good way to build your own personal brand. So check this out. Let's say that this is my affiliate link, or this is my affiliate link or my affiliate offer. Now, some people explain that we can just send traffic directly, right, to this affiliate offer. And if someone buys, we can make that commission. Now, the problem with that strategy is that it's very hard to scale that business model. Because, for example, when I started affiliate marketing, I was doing exactly that thing. I was just sending traffic to my affiliate offers. And the problem is that we don't know if the company is going to like shut down their affiliate programs or shut down the products. And if that happens, your link is not going to work. And if you have invested all of your time to like create content and having an audience for that product and having all those videos, but if the link doesn't work, you are not going to get any commission, and you will need to start all over again. So basically, that is what happened to me. I was driving traffic to my affiliate offers, and then the products that I was promoting, so they were not available anymore. So my affiliate income went down. That is why it's important to like build a page. So this is the capture page, because we're going to capture an email, and we need to capture the email of the prospect, and then we can redirect those people to our affiliate offer, and if they buy, we can make commission. But more importantly, we are collecting emails, we are collecting leads. That is critical if we want to build a long-term affiliate marketing business, because having your own email list is like having your own asset. You can like go to your email marketing software, write an email, and promote any product that you want, because because your email list, so those are real people. Those people will know, like, and trust you because you are promoting products that, for example, you believe that those products will help them, right? So this is important. And so basically I built this capture page to collect emails. So here we have the traffic, our traffic strategies in affiliate marketing, right? Traffic strategies. And you need to know that not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why we capture this email, because we need to build a nurturing sequence. Now let me show you the pages and the funnels and the nurturing sequence that I have been using to make commissions. So first of all, this is my affiliate link. So this is the link that I'm promoting. So this is important because if someone put their information inside of this page, I'm going to send another referral to the creator of this product, which is Jonathan Montoya. Now check this out. If I go to ClickFunnels, I have been using this software to build my funnels. And this software, the name is 7 Steps to Become a Super Affiliate. So this is a done for you funnel that I downloaded from Freedom Accelerator. So let me click here because I want to show you the funnel. And as you can see in the screen, this funnel has 3 steps. Step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. So the first step is a simple page, which is this one. And I'm capturing leads with this capture page. So when people see this page, so they read this title or the hook. So this is one of the most critical elements of your capture page, the title. Then they will read a free ebook download. They will read this information. They will see the picture of the ebook, and also I put my photo because I'm building my own personal brand. And when people click this button, free ebook download, check this out. I can collect the name, the email, and their phone number. And I'm giving away this free ebook. The ebook is the lead magnet that I'm giving away in exchange for the email. So you need to give something in exchange for the email, because people are not going to put their information just because you are telling them, hey, put your information and I'm going to send you updates, or put your best information, your best email, and I'm going to send you newsletters. Or you need to give something for free. And for this funnel, I'm giving away this free ebook that I didn't create. So Jonathan Montoya created this ebook. So when people opting in their information, they will go to the second step, which is this one. And inside of this page, I tell people that, hey, check your email because I'm going to send the ebook. And then people will go to the third step, which is the bridge page. Now, the bridge page is important. Check this out. It's this one. Here I have recorded a simple video in which I explain the steps that people need to do in order to learn the skills on how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. I tell them as well some of the things that I struggled when I started with high-ticket affiliate marketing and how I did to get my first commissions with that business model. And if they go here and click get started today, people will go exactly to this affiliate link, guys. This one, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if they buy, I can make a commission in the front end. So this is like the first part of the funnel in which we can make commissions. Now the second part is the nurturing sequence, because people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why we need to build a nurturing sequence, and I'm using GetResponse. So I have another softwares, but this is an example. I have been using GetResponse for many years, and check this out. I'm going to show you this nurturing sequence. And as you can see, I have 129 people going through this email sequence. So check this out, Freedom Accelerator. So when someone's opting in their information, their email and their name, GetResponse is going to start sending emails automatically. So the first emails are my free affiliate marketing trainings, which are these emails, and then GetResponse is going to wait for 1 day to send the email number 2, which is more free trainings. Then it's going to wait for another day to send the email number 3, which is more free trainings. And if people don't buy from me any products, it doesn't matter because I'm giving valuable information to them in my free emails. And then I started like promote my YouTube channel because these emails have some YouTube links from my YouTube channel, and then I started to promote software, and then the 72-hour freedom challenge, and so on and so forth. I'm promoting all of these products, legendary marketer, and I have as well valuable emails without any links. So just giving valuable information to my email list. And as you can see, I have here many emails, and I need to add more emails. And it's easy to build this email sequence. What is not that as easy as it looks is the copywriting skills. So as you may notice, so my native language is Spanish, so I struggle like a little bit in the copywriting strategies, because how to write in English is like kind of difficult for me, right? But I'm like improving every single day. So check this out. But the way to create this email sequence, it's easy, because here I have a wait comma, and I put 300 days because I'm adding more emails. Basically what I can do here is I can drag and drop the send message command, and then click here on create a new message and write a new message to promote any product that I know that can help my email list. And then I can add a new element like a wait command and connect the dots and put here like again wait for 300 days, and I can come back, for example, tomorrow and add more emails. So basically that is how I build this nurturing sequence. As you can see, the most important thing here is the copywriting skills. How like writing good subjects so people can click your emails, and then writing good persuasive words so people can click your affiliate links inside of the emails. So basically that's it, guys. This is called the automated sales system. And once you build this system, you just need to send traffic and drive customers to it. And what I have seen is that, check this out. So when I started, so my first commission was like $3 or $4, something like that, and then $15 and then $20. And I always like, I'm creating content. I try to create content every single day. And what I've seen is that the more content I create, like, so YouTube share my videos with more people, and the more lives I do, YouTube like share more of those lives, and I reach more people, and some of those like resonate with my own story, and some of those people click the links in the description. And for example, if they want to get access to my free training, they just need to put their information inside of that page, which is my opt-in page or my capture page, and I will send to them my free training. And if they buy for example, the 72-hour challenge, or if they want like a more in-depth training, they can access the high-ticket product, which is this one, Freedom Accelerator. Some important things about this high-ticket product, like for me, phase number 2 is super important, because if you can grow your YouTube channel, YouTube is powerful to drive customers to your own automated sales business or automated sales funnel. So basically, Jonathan teaches, for example, the perfect YouTube script, YouTube content hacking exercise, YouTube setup, as you can see, distribute to blow up your channel, increasing the CTR, and perfect thumbnail checklist. So I went and finished all this lesson and studied all these lessons, because when I started my YouTube channel, I struggled to grow it. And I have the persistence, but I didn't have like the step-by-step method on how to do the keyword research and how to write the titles and how to do all that stuff. But once I have like the blueprint, It was easiest to grow the YouTube channel because I have the persistence and the discipline to create content every single day. And that is one of the most important things you need to have if you want to build an affiliate business. You need to know that people get discouraged when they don't have results, and that is basically, so they think that for just uploading like 1 video, 10 videos, 50 videos, they will get a commission, and probably they could get a commissions, but it's not easy. So it's simple to understand the business model, but it's not easy because as an affiliate marketer, you need to like create content and keep working every single day, even when you are not getting results. But if you can stay long enough, some of those people, some of those leads will click your affiliate links, as you can see. Some of those leads will become referrals, some of those will become customers, a little percent, and then you will start earning more commissions. But it takes time to get the ball rolling. So this is like a snowball effect. You need to put like effort, time, and persistence at the beginning, and you just need to keep going, and it's going to be a matter of time to get your first commission. Once you have that first commission, you need to keep creating content, uploading content to like drive more customers to your own system. And if you can stay long enough without getting results, you definitely will have results if the products that you are promoting are high quality products and if you believe in those products. For example, when I started affiliate marketing in 2017, so let's say that we have here 1 year, 0 days and 365 days. So when I started in 2017, it took me basically 1 year to get my first commission. And you know how I made that commission? Because I was uploading 1 video per day on YouTube, 1 video per day, 1 video per day. And I was uploading videos, and I was seeing my affiliate analytics that people was clicking my affiliate links, but I didn't have commissions, and I was uploading. Then I was starting to get some leads, and I keep uploading content, and I remember that day when I got my first commission. It was like $300, something like that, and it was like a game changing, because I knew that I just need to keep doing what I was doing, which was uploading content every single day. If you can do that, you can succeed with this business model. Or there is another type of driving traffic to your affiliate links, which is paying for ads, and that is a skill that I think that is valuable to learn if you have any online business, because having like that skill on how to like pay for ads and start getting customers from YouTube ads, TikTok ads, so that is a valuable skill that any company will pay for that, because what I have seen is that the more leads or the more emails I collect, basically the more commissions I'm making. So that is the trend that I'm seeing as an affiliate marketer. Well, if you have any question, guys, let me know in the comments. I hope that you got value from this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click as well the notification